little gray-haired spouse who lived with him in his tumble-down house.
Sou duendezinho pobre, com fome e com frio. Dá níquel pra mim, amigo.
Our purse is empty, the cupboard is bare, but this coffee and donut we gladly will share.
Dunk, dunk, dunk. Oh, how I'd love to dunk donuts. Dunk, dunk, dunk. If I can't dunk, I will go nuts. It's very simple if you know your stuff. Don't dunk too deeply or you'll wet your cup. Dunk and make bubbles, forget all your troubles and dunk, dunk, dunk. Come on and dunk, dunk.
Dunk.
Obrigado, meus amigos. Adeusinho!
The old couple locked up the store for the night, went into the bedroom and blew out the light. They never dreamed that hundreds of elves were coming to make them new shoes for their shelves.
Uai, seu app de vídeos curtos.